Good day, everyone, and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Syphus channel. Alright, today we have HERRERASAURUS. So what we have here is a Dino trackers. This one has a feature, you push down its hips. Wait, does it? No. Actually, you push this button right here. Jeez. So the mouth does not move, just the neck. It's just the neck and the head. The mouth is actually manual. Here's the DNA scan. There you go. Alright guys, nice color right here. And then we have a Primal Attack. It looks like a battle damage. This is obviously a Walmart version again. So what year was this release? You need to find out. 2017 right there. Wow. Okay. And we have here is a Dino Escape. I'm sure this was like 2020. Oh, actually 2018 says here. Okay, so Dino Escape right here, and then this two, pretty much the same model. As you can see, the tail and the bend of the body too, the curve of the body is. These two are from the original Jurassic World. So these are the very first HERRERASAURUses from Jurassic World toy line. Yep. So there you go. They're both from Jurassic World. Okay, guys. So why do we have this today? Because we have the Epic Attack HERRERASAURUS. I had a hard time hunting for this thing. It gave me so much difficult times. It's not even English, it's Japanese. But obviously this is a HERRERASAURUS. Alright, let's check the back. It's still sealed. Okay, so we have all of these already. 3 sounds. It looks like a blue over there, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, well, so it is black and navy blue. You can't really tell. Let me brighten it up. So it is navy blue right here, then the legs and tail are black, regular black. What is it? There we go. So let's check the sound. Oh yeah, it lights up. It's just too bright. Let's see. There you go. So our very first HERRERASAURUS with a sound. Alright, so let's open them up. Got this in a good deal from Japan. Oops. It's a Japanese exclusive again. It's supposed to be just Walmart, but nope, it didn't make it to Walmart. So the Japanese decided to put they covered the English letter HERRERASAURUS here as well. And here as well. All stickers, you can tell. This one too. Wow. Really? Okay. Let's take it out. Alright, nice piece here. Very nice. Let's check the DNA scan. There you go. So this is the biggest HERRERASAURUS now. Let's check compared to Dino trackers. Yep, it is bigger. The tail length is also different, bigger, thicker. Dang, it is longer. So this is our biggest HERRERASAURUS now. There you go. The mouth does not move, but you have to move manually. I wish they made the teeth a little better. But this is an Epic Attack. I think it came with was this the minion or man? I don't even know. It could be a Dino tracker. But anyways, yeah, it's a mustard color right there. So very happy when I purchased this thing. Why is the leg bent? Geez, look at that right there. It looks like a factory defect right there. How's it supposed to stand? Well, it can still stand though. See? Good. So yeah, there you have for today, guys. All our HERRERASAURUses now complete. Well, we don't know if there's gonna be more HERRERASAURUS coming down the line there, end of this year, as we are already end of August. And also 2 days ago it was revealed that the Hammond collection has a new line called the Allosaurus. We're gonna have an Allosaurus now, the Hammond collection, guys. So I'm excited for that. But the bad thing is, it is coming out. It says it's gonna be available January though of next year. I was like, oh no. But anyways, you can pre-order at Target now. Yeah, okay guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Thank you so much. Have a good one.